Hi, I'm Joshua Gates.
And I'm Donald Kerner.
Today we're going to introduce you to some of the products New Haven offers to the construction industry. Today we're going to introduce you to some of the products New Haven offers to the construction industry. Products used every day on your job sites like ram board, panel carts, curb ramps, and speed packs. We'll start with the ram board. This is a very popular product for protecting any kind of surface like floors or countertops. It comes packaged in a 100-foot roll, and if used properly, it can be reused many times over.
Our speed packs are tri-wall corrugated containers measuring 49 by 20 by 24, making them very easy to move around and offer a wide array of uses. Most of our customers in the construction industry find them very useful as trash bins. They can be placed almost anywhere, and unlike a full-size dumpster, are very affordable and can be moved around easily on a four-wheel dolly. They're also great for moving cumbersome items such as buckets, tools, and other job site materials.
We all know moving sheetrock is not the easiest thing to do. This is where our sheetrock panel carts come into play. These carts are made of 1 1/4 inch tubular steel and can hold a capacity of up to 1,200 pounds. They're also great for moving masonite, plywood, and even glass. Use these in conjunction with our New Haven curb ramps to virtually eliminate any on-site hazards of carrying these materials or even breaking them.
To find out more about our products for the construction industry, we invite you to stop by any of our conveniently located showrooms in Houston, San Antonio, and Dallas, or visit us on the web at newhaven-usa.com.